Hey, Clara. Good morning.
Good morning, Jack. You sound relaxed today. That's nice.
Yes, I slept well. No alarm stress. It feels like a small holiday.
That already sounds like a good start to the day. How are you feeling now?
Calm and a little curious. When I feel calm, I start thinking too much.
Thinking is good, as long as it doesn't turn into stress.
Don't worry. Today, my brain is friendly.
That's perfect for learning. So, did you do anything special this morning?
I went for a short walk. Nothing big, just enjoying the air.
Enjoying the air. That sounds poetic.
I didn't plan it like that, but yes, it felt nice to be somewhere I like.
Somewhere you like. Interesting. Was it a new place?
No, it's a place I already know. I go there often.
Ah, a place you enjoy going to again and again.
Exactly. When I'm there, I feel comfortable.
Comfortable places are important. They help us feel grounded.
Yes, and I realized something. When people ask me about it, I don't know how to explain it well in English.
That's a very good observation, Jack.
I just say, I like this place, and then silence.
Silence can be powerful, but maybe not in conversations.
Yes, the silence is not confident, it's confused.
Then today is a good day for that topic.
I was thinking the same thing. I just didn't know how to say it.
Well, today we'll talk about talking about a favorite place in English.
Oh, that's perfect. My morning walk was good timing.
Before we continue, let's take a short pause.
Yes, good idea.
Dear viewers, if you enjoy learning English through calm and friendly conversations like this one, please subscribe to our channel.
And please don't forget to like the video and click the bell so you don't miss our next lessons.
Thank you for being with us.
All right, Clara, where do we start?
Let's begin gently. When you talk about a favorite place, there are a few simple things you usually need to do. First, you say what the place is, then you explain where it is or what kind of place it is, and finally, you share why you like it and how it makes you feel. That's all.
That sounds simple when you say it like that.
It is simple. We just do it step by step.
Step by step is good. My favorite speed.
Good. So let's start with the first part. Now, let's start with something easy. Imagine someone asks you, "What is your favorite place?" You just need to answer with one clear sentence.
Okay, I think I can do that.
Take your time. There's no rush.
My favorite place is a small park near my apartment.
That was perfect. Clear and natural.
Really?
Yes, you named the place and you added a little detail. That already helps the listener imagine it.
Oh, that feels good.
Good job. Now let's make it a little richer. After you say what the place is, people often want to know more. For example, where it is or what kind of place it is. You can add one simple sentence.
Like explaining a bit more?
Exactly. Nothing long, just one idea.
Okay, let me try.
Go ahead.
It is a place where I go to relax.
Almost perfect. Just one small thing. You need a before place. So, say, it is a place where I go to relax.
Ah, yes. It is a place where I go to relax.
Excellent. Now it's complete and natural.
One small word, but it changes everything.
It really does. And you corrected it very well.
Thank you. I feel less scared of small mistakes now.
That's exactly how you should feel. Now comes the most interesting part. When you talk about a favorite place, people really want to know why you like it. This is where feelings come in.
Feelings. Okay, that part is more personal.
Yes, and that's what makes conversations warm. You don't need big words. Simple feelings are enough.
Simple is good. Big words hide from me.
Then we'll stay simple. You can talk about how you feel there or what you do there.
I think I know what I want to say, but slowly.
Slowly is perfect. Try this. Start with, I like this place because.
Okay. I like this place because it makes me feel calm.
That's a very nice sentence.
Really? It sounds honest.
It is honest, and honesty is very clear in English.
I also feel less noisy inside my head there.
That's a beautiful idea. Let's make it simple and smooth. You can say,
It helps me feel calm and relaxed.
perfect. Now let's imagine a real situation. Someone you meet asks about your favorite place. Maybe a coworker, maybe a neighbor.
Or someone waiting for coffee with me.
Exactly. They say, so what's your favorite place around here?
Okay, I'm ready.
Go ahead.
My favorite place is a small park near my apartment. It is a place where I go to relax. I like this place because it helps me feel calm and relaxed.
That was excellent, Jack.
I said everything?
Yes, and it sounded natural, not like a textbook.
That's a relief.
You see, you don't need to impress people, you just need to connect.
I like that idea. Connecting feels lighter.
If you want, you can add one small detail. For example, what you do there.
Like walking or sitting?
Exactly. One simple action.
I usually walk there in the morning.
Very good. Short and clear.
I'm surprised. My sentences are behaving today.
They just needed a calm space, like your park.
Maybe my English also has a favorite place.
That's a lovely thought. In real life, conversations don't stop there. The other person might react. They might say, "Oh, that sounds nice," or "I know that park."
And then I panic.
And then you breathe. You can answer simply. For example, "Yes, it's very peaceful," or "You should visit it."
You should visit it. I like that.
It's friendly and natural. This feels more real now, not just practice.
That's the goal, and soon you'll need this in a real conversation.
A real one?
Yes, with real reactions and maybe a little surprise.
Okay.
That's a perfect place to stop for now.
I'm ready for the next step.
Good. Let's take what you learned today and bring it into real life next time. Jack, this is a good moment to use what you practiced. Just speak naturally. You already know what to say.
I feel okay. A little nervous, but the calm kind.
That's perfect. Look, someone is coming over now.
All right, let's try it.
Oh, hi there. Good morning.
Good morning. Nice day, right?
It really is. The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, exactly. I like mornings like this.
I've seen you here a few times. Do you live nearby?
Yes, I do. My apartment is just a few minutes from here.
That's convenient. This park is great if you live close.
Yes, that's true. This is actually my favorite place around here.
Oh, really? That's nice. What do you like about it?
My favorite place is this park because it helps me feel calm.
I can understand that. It's very peaceful.
Exactly. When I come here, I feel relaxed, especially in the morning.
Do you come here every day?
Not every day, but very often. I usually come here in the morning to walk.
Walking is a good habit.
Yes, I walk slowly, listen to music sometimes, or just listen to the sounds here.
Like the birds?
Yes, the birds, the trees, and people talking quietly. It feels simple.
I like that description. Simple places are often the best ones.
I agree. Before I moved here, I didn't really have a place like this.
Oh, you moved recently?
Yes, I moved here not long ago.
That can be a big change.
It was. At first, everything felt new and a little loud.
And now this park helps?
Yes, it feels familiar now. When I'm here, I don't feel lost.
That makes sense. This park feels welcoming.
That's a good word. Welcoming.
Do you usually come alone?
Most of the time, yes. Sometimes I meet people, like today.
Like today, exactly.
Yes, today is a good example.
I usually come here after work. It helps me clear my mind.
After work. Yes, that sounds nice too. After that, I usually sit on a bench for a few minutes.
Just sitting?
Yes, I just sit, breathe, and look around. I don't rush.
That's a good way to slow down.
I think so. My days feel better when I start them like this.
Do you have a favorite spot in the park?
Yes, near the big tree over there.
Oh, I know that one. It's very old.
Yes, exactly. I like sitting near it. It feels stable.
Stable. That's an interesting feeling to get from a place.
Yes, it makes me feel grounded.
You explain it very well.
Thank you. I'm practicing my English.
You're doing great. Don't worry.
That helps. Sometimes I worry too much about words.
We all do, even native speakers.
That makes me feel better.
Do you have other favorite places in the city?
Not yet. This one is special to me.
That's fair. Favorite places take time.
Yes, I think a favorite place chooses you slowly.
I like that idea.
What about you? Is this park your favorite place too?
One of them. I also like a small cafe nearby.
A cafe sounds nice.
It's quiet with soft music. Good for reading.
That sounds relaxing.
Maybe you'd like it.
Maybe. I'm starting to enjoy quiet places more.
That happens over time.
Yes, before I always needed noise. Now I like calm.
It's funny how that changes.
Very funny, but in a good way.
Do you come here on weekends too?
Yes, sometimes. On weekends, it's more crowded.
True. More families, more kids.
Yes, it's different, but still nice.
Do you prefer quiet mornings or busy afternoons?
I prefer quiet mornings. My mind feels clearer then.
I see. I'm more of an afternoon person.
That's interesting. The same place, different moments.
Exactly. A place can feel different at different times.
Yes, in the evening, the light changes. It feels warmer.
You really pay attention.
I think I do. This place makes me slow down and notice things.
That's probably why it's your favorite.
Yes, I think so too.
I'm glad we talked. It's nice to hear how others enjoy this park.
I'm glad too. Talking about it feels good.
Maybe we'll see each other again here.
I hope so.
I should go now. I need to get ready for work.
Of course. Have a good day.
You too. Enjoy your walk.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.
That went really well, Jack.
It did, didn't it?
Yes, you explained your favorite place clearly and naturally.
I didn't freeze. That's a victory.
And you used calm words, real feelings, and simple sentences.
I felt connected, not tested.
That's exactly how real conversations should feel.
I think this park helped my English today.
It sounds like your favorite place is doing its job.
I agree, and I'm ready to practice more next time.
Good. We'll build on this very soon. Jack, let's take a moment to review the words we used today. You kept saying favorite place. A favorite place means a place you like more than others, a place that feels special to you. People often say, this cafe is my favorite place to relax.
Right, that makes sense. So when I say this park is my favorite place, I'm saying it's special to me.
Exactly, and that sounded very natural when you said it earlier. And speaking of the park, we use the word park. A park is an open public place with trees and space where people walk or relax. You could say, I walk in the park every morning.
I like that one. Simple, but very useful. I feel calm just hearing it.
That reaction fits the word perfectly. You also described the park as peaceful. Peaceful means quiet and calm, without noise or stress. Like when you say, this park is peaceful in the morning.
Ah, yes. Peaceful is when my phone is quiet too.
That's a very modern definition, but it works. Another feeling you mentioned was relaxed. Relaxed means your body and mind feel calm, not tense. People say things like, I feel relaxed when I sit here.
I remember saying that. When I say it out loud, I almost feel it again.
That's the power of good words. You also used welcoming. Welcoming means a place makes you feel comfortable and accepted. For instance, this neighborhood feels welcoming.
I like that word a lot. It feels friendly.
That's true. It's a very warm word. At the beginning, you mentioned the park is nearby. Nearby means close to where you are, not far away. You might hear, there's a park nearby my apartment.
Oh, right. That one is practical. I use it more than I notice.
Many learners do. It's very useful in daily life. You also talked about what you do there, especially the verb to walk. To walk means to move on foot, slowly or normally, like when you say, I walk in the park every morning.
That one feels very basic, but very important.
Exactly. Simple words carry a lot of meaning. Then you mentioned sitting on a bench. A bench is a long seat, often found in parks. You could say, I sit on a bench and look around.
Yes, I remember that moment. Sitting on the bench felt like a pause in life.
That's a lovely way to put it. You also talked about time, like morning. Morning is the early part of the day, after you wake up. For example, the park is quiet in the morning.
That's true. Morning feels different from the rest of the day.
And you expressed that difference very clearly.
Later, you mentioned weekends being more crowded. Crowded means there are many people in one place. People often say the park is crowded on weekends.
Yes, crowded days are still nice, but they feel louder.
That contrast is important when talking about places, and the opposite feeling came up too, quiet. Quiet means with little or no noise. You can say, I like quiet places.
That one describes my mood lately.
Then you're using the right vocabulary already. You also used familiar. Familiar means something you know well, something that doesn't feel new. For instance, this place feels familiar to me now.
That word felt important when I said it. It explained a lot.
Yes, it showed how the place became part of your life. Another nice word you used was stable. Stable means strong and not changing too much. You might hear, that place makes me feel stable.
I didn't expect to use that word today, but it felt right.
And it sounded very natural. Finally, you talked about clear your mind. To clear your mind means to relax and stop worrying or thinking too much. Like when someone says, I come here to clear my mind.
That one is very me.
I noticed. So, viewers, today we talked about a favorite place, a park, something peaceful and quiet, a place that feels welcoming and familiar.
We also used words like nearby, walk, bench, morning, and crowded.
And don't forget relaxed, stable, and clear your mind. Very useful when talking about feelings.
Honestly, with these words, you can already describe a place you love.
Exactly. Viewers, now it's your turn. Dear viewers, try writing 3 to 5 sentences about your favorite place using today's words.
It can be a park, a cafe, your room, or anywhere that makes you feel good.
Don't worry about being perfect. Simple sentences are great.
And we really enjoy reading your examples. They help you learn faster.
If you enjoyed this calm and friendly practice, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And click the bell so you don't miss our next English conversations.
We'll continue building your confidence step by step.
And who knows, maybe you'll discover your favorite English words too.
See you next time, dear viewers.
Take care, everyone.